Hey there, smart home enthusiasts. Today, I've got something truly game-changing to share with you. Introducing the Tuya Smart Life Multi-Mode Gateway, the brain of smart home automation. Imagine having the power to control all your smart devices with just your voice. With support for Alexa and Google Home voice control, the Tuya Smart Life Multi-Mode Gateway takes your smart home experience to a whole new level. Not only that, but you can also associate other smart devices in the app for local scenario linkage and automation, making your home smarter and much safer. And let's talk about convenience. With this gateway, you can wirelessly remote control all your smart devices under one interface. No more switching between different apps. It's all in one place for added convenience. But that's not all. The Tuya Smart Life Multi-Mode Gateway is equipped with standard protocol development based on ZigBee 3.0 and Bluetooth SIG, ensuring stable control of up to 128 devices. It's a must-have for all Tuya ZigBee products. And here's the best part, adding sub-devices without network access and multiple sub-devices accessing the network at the same time. Now that's what I call efficiency. So, if you're ready to take your smart home to the next level, I highly recommend checking out the Tuya Smart Life Multi-Mode Gateway. Trust me, you won't regret it. Click the link in the description to get your hands on this game-changing smart home automation hub. Don't miss out on the future of home automation. Get yours today.